All right, let's talk about the big picture. We've just been talking about DNA. In this case right here, I want to think of DNA as almost like a CAD, or that's computer-assisted design drawing, like a 3D drawing. Think of them the same way for right now. Both of them are information only. They are great for long-term storage of information, passing it on to others, and it's the master copy. Everything is built off of this design, DNA and this CAD drawing. However, let's be honest, it's useless on its own. You know, if you have a dog and it wants a doghouse and you tell that dog, hey look, I have this awesome drawing for you, that dog will, well, it'll be confused because it probably doesn't speak English, but if it did speak English, it would probably say, this is useless, I can't sleep in that. Why did you waste your time on that, stupid human? So with DNA or with this CAD drawing, you actually have to build something with it in order for it to be really functional. This is where RNA comes in. RNA is almost like blueprints, you know, something where you take that CAD drawing and you start actually pulling measurements off of that. Now, this is still information. I mean, you obviously can't live in it, but this is a lot more useful for actually building. I know what pieces I need to make. This will make actually assembling it and putting it together much easier. However, you don't want to do long-term storage. You don't want to have a whole bunch of blueprints laying around. It's a lot easier to have like something like a computer file right here. That'd be a lot easier for sharing and passing around rather than having to deal with a blueprint. RNA, or this blueprint, is a temporary disposable copy. I don't need it long term, but I definitely need it to build things. Well, let's talk about the final thing, the thing that we've been dancing around for a while, protein. Protein in this case here is the finished product. This is useful. It does something. This is what your dog could actually sleep in and wouldn't give you the stink eye for making a 3D drawing for. Your dog would be very happy with this. This is the point of it. However, you cannot make more dog houses or more protein without those instructions. So you can't just say, just, copy the dog house. Well, you have to go back to the DNA of the RNA before you can make more of this. So it's useful, but if you want to make more, you got to go and start at the beginning here. I want to emphasize this. This protein, this is the entire point of everything. This is why we have DNA. This is why we even have that RNA in the middle. The entire point of all this is to make that protein. What's the point of doing this CAD drawing here unless you're doing it for just the fun of it? The point of it is to make this finished product here, is to make the actual doghouse.